it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and welcome to Free Tutorial Friday. I am going to be making a card today, and I'm going to be decorating the outside, the inside, and the envelope. And I just wanted to stop in and say hello. I know I don't get to see you, well, face to face, unless you attend one of my Zoom classes, which I hope you do. But let me go ahead and just show you real quick. I'm going to be using 3 different stamp sets. I'm going to be using the Tag Buffet, which you may have seen me use quite often. I just love that stamp set. This one is called Ornamental Envelopes, and it is super cute. We're just going to outside decorate some envelopes really quick and easy. And then this is an old favorite from last year, still in the current annual catalog, and this one is called Snowman Season. I'm going to just be using 2 sets of blends, the Night of Navy, the Old Olive, and then I'm going with some vanilla, envelope cardstock, some designer series paper, and then some cardstock in the Old Olive and Night of Navy. Again, this is a free tutorial, so you can head over to my blog, beautyandthestamper.com. Please don't mind all of that in the background. I am crafting. So we have our annual convention. It's called On Stage for Stampin' Up! And so I get to stamp and watch the convention all at the same time. So I'm working and playing, which is also working. I have so much fun. If you guys would like to join me, feel free to come and join my team. It's totally fun. You get to choose $125 worth of product for only $99. And then you get a discount of at least 20% on every single order. So I would love to have you join my team, and I wanted to stop by and let you know and also tell you hello, happy Friday. I'm going to be in the convention all weekend, but I'm going to try and pop in here and there to give you a video or two. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Let's go ahead and watch that video. All right, one thing I did forget to mention was the November host code. We are going to be doing a bingo in December. It's going to be a stamp and sip. It's going to be on a Wednesday evening. For those of you who are busy during Saturday mornings, I thought we would give this a try. Maybe start incorporating both into the coming year, and I just thought it would be fun. So if you want to participate in the bingo, all you need to do is purchase the Real Red sheer ribbon and the Little Treats bundle. These are the codes, not the codes, the item numbers, and you're just going to do that at jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. All right, here is your host code. You'll want to put that little guy in there as well. If you forget, if you can't find it, that's okay. I'll do it for you. All right, let's get started. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Getting everything ready. From the Snowman Season, the only thing we're going to be using is this little Merry Christmas. Sometimes, I mean, you could use your whole entire stamp set for the whole card, or just pick and choose your little pieces, which is what I'm doing. So I'm doing this for the front with the Merry Christmas. I'm using the ornamental envelopes. I'll be using this guy and this little guy. It's not going to be a huge undergoing. I mean, we could use this. That would be beautiful. Oh my goodness. Do I want to use that? No, I can't. Oh. And then finally, the Tag Buffet. I'm going to be using this little guy here, this little bow here, and then the saying on the inside. Now let me show you. This does say Merry Christmas here, and that does say Merry Christmas there. But this one was a little bit too big for me. I just wanted something very nice and a little bit smaller, and I think they will just be fine together. But if you don't have this one, that's okay. You can use that. It'll work. That's what's so great. I love that everything coordinates. You just need one stamp set, really. But you know me, I like to have a lot of this and that. All right, let's get started on making What do we want to make first? Let's make the card. Let's do that. Okay, I have a piece of Designer Series paper, a piece of Old Olive cardstock, and a piece of Night of Navy cardstock. The Night of Navy and the Whisper White are going to be the base. Now I don't see a score line in here, so I'm going to score this at 4 1/4. And this is my paper trimmer. I don't usually bring it out too often, but I love it has just a score part. And now we've scored that right in half. And now all we have to do is grab our bone folder and burnish that down so it lays nice and flat. See that? It's not popping up. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and just stick our pieces on here. I think I'm on, oh, there we go. Every time, I think I'm always out. Here we go. We're gonna just leave a nice little border right around there. And again, if I cut it correctly, you should have a great border all the way around to start. Next thing we're gonna do is we are going to take our cardstock and we're just gonna kinda turn it onto an angle. So I know usually I'm gonna really keep everything straight, but I'm simple and straight. So I'm just going to turn that to a bit of an angle. I'm going to do the same thing with this Designer Series paper. And again, everything is just so coordinated. I'm just going to turn it going the opposite way. Just like that. Okay, so we've got that part out. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to grab this stamp. Oh, and guess what? I did not grab a scrap piece. Oh my goodness, look at how funny is that. Unfortunately, they're not the same colors that I want to use. So we're going to grab our Memento black ink. We're going to go ahead and get that going. And put that away right away. And then, oh, here's my, guys, here I am going to start with my dark and put them around here on the outside of the middle. Just like that. And then I'm going to do the same with this guy here. And go underneath here. And then down on this side. And the same here. And then I'm going to go in with the lighter color. And with that lighter color, I'm going to fill everything in. And because we've got the dark and the light, I got to get my eyes on. Anybody else use the little readers to do their stamping? Oh, there we go. There's lines in there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and then that's going to pull in. You'll see as the alcohol goes away, we're going to have some light and some dark in here. And the same, it's going to be very, like hardly even noticeable because the dark and the light are so far apart. It's just going to add a bit of just a little bit of light shining in the middle. And then you can pull that in. And because it is an alcohol-based marker, it's going to dry up and it's going to blend really easy. And you can see right in there. Okay, now I don't have any silver, but I do have gray granite. So I'm going to go in with some gray granite. And I'm just going to leave it a little bit vanilla in there. Now I'm going to take my 2-inch punch, and I'm going to do this first. And the reason I'm going to do it first is because I know I have that bow that I want to put on there. Now, the bow, I think I'm going to put that, I don't know if I want to put it in the Night of Navy or if I want to put it in the Old Olive. I think we're going to go, I changed my mind, midway through. We're going to go with some Old Olive. And there's that cute little bow. And you kind of have to put your head over it a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to take that. And there we go. I think that came out well with that Old Olive. All right, so now we've got that. I had the Night of Navy out for the Merry Christmas, but since I did this in that, I think I might go with the Old Olive for the Merry Christmas as well. So I've got my little piece here. We're going to get that Merry Christmas all done up. Now when this happens, just make sure you have a baby wipe, because I'll tell you what, if you don't notice, as soon as you put your hand down, I'm going to have like a mark there. So when that happens, have those baby wipes near. And we're just going to take this, kind of line it up the best you can. There we go. Oh yeah, that's cute. We've got that, we've got that. Oh, it's now time to move on to putting the rest of this together. And I'm just grabbing my, what I thought was embellishments and dimensionals. So here's where we're going to design and decide where we want this. And I think I'm going to put this up just a little bit here. And then I'm going to put this one up a little bit there. This one might come down a little bit. Yes. Now this one's going to go straight across. Even though the others are kind of twisted, this one's going to still go straight across. And this one's going to be straight as well. You could also push this over to the edge a little bit if you wanted to see more of this, and then put this one in. Well, I guess that one is still a little too big, but we're still not done. You see, I'm getting to the end of all of my dimensionals. So I'm going to take that and put this on here. And then I'm going to put one on here. Flip that over. Put this right in the center. And then for the ends, I will use actual dimensionals. Gonna grab my take your pick tool. I'm gonna put my ink away first. Always look to make sure. Just gonna take these off using my take your pick tool. All right. I'm going to just place this right here, front and center. Place this one right here. And then I have two, oh, there we go. I was going to say, I need to find my champagne rhinestones here would be perfect. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick one here. And then I'm going to stick 3 little ones. Well, 2 little ones. And look at how that came out. Isn't that beautiful? Doesn't it look like, I mean, it just all goes together. Everything matches so pretty. And you can add some more gems here and there if you'd like, but I am fine with that. We're going to go ahead and, since we're stamping in Old Olive, I'm just going to go ahead and stamp again. I'm going to grab the saying. Get that guy all done up here. And we're going to line that up the best that we can. Now, go by the line of the stamp, not the line here when you do something like this. But I like these because it kind of takes away all of the room so you don't have to write so much. If you are like me that want to say something beautiful, it's already done for you. And that came out straight enough, but that's okay. And there's the card. Now we've done the outside, we've done the inside, and let's do the envelope. The envelope is going to be really cute, really easy. We're just going to take that same Old Olive. We know exactly where our lines are going to need to go. They're kind of right about here. Oh, what did I do? That's okay. You can get a new envelope if you'd like. You can get another piece of paper, but we're going to figure this out. I'm gonna get a new envelope because this is a tutorial. I was going to, well, I have one. I was gonna just wing it, but don't press too hard, obviously. We're gonna get that one. We're going to get this one. And then we're going to do this one all over again, but we're not going to press very hard. And I guess this time I'll put it right in the center. I'm just going to lay it there. Leave it. Don't press too hard. I'm so scared now. There we go. Whew! I'm telling you, you want to see a boo-boo happen when you're stamping, come to me. I will show you. I can't even shut that now. Oh gosh. All right. I hope you guys have a great day. Here is my envelope. Here is the card. And here is the inside of that card. So have a great day, beauties. And I will talk to you later. Bye.